Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Shopify. In this video, I'm going to show you two basic methods. The first one is going to be getting the help of the third-party app or the third-party platform, which is going to be Elfsight. For those who doesn't know what is Elfsight, it is going to be a platform that will create some widgets for you. And these widgets are going to be very useful in the daily life of a website owner. So here, if you're going to be focusing on this specific area, you're going to need an account within Elfsight. After that, you're going to head over the widgets, and then we're going to head over the categories. So we have here different categories. We're going to focus on the audio. So we have audio player, background music, podcast, and radio. Depending on the needs of yours, go ahead and check or select one of these. For example, we are going to play or set up a music or audio player. You can go ahead and create a one widget for free, of course, for the free plan. And then we are going to view the widget. Because I have created already a widget, so I'm going to modify it or click on edit. So you are going to see the process from scratch. So you can go ahead and see that we have some tracks that are going to be already set up. This is only one track that is set up already. You can go ahead and replace the track by uploading a track, adding a track by link, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, Twitch, Vimeo, Vistia, and etc. You can set up the title, the artist, and the cover. This is going to be a little bit here tiring for setting up all the music. Even if you are going to set up this for the enjoyment of the customers, maybe you're going to find it annoying, or maybe you're not going to remember the things clearly. So because of this, I'm going to let you see here another option. You can also set up the call to action buttons. As you can see here, we have the Apple Music. You can go ahead and edit that. Click on here, put the URL of your Apple Music. Let's say playlist, Spotify, not Shopify, but music of YouTube, or download some tracks. You can choose the layout, for example, of a floating or an embed. As you can see, layout. Here we have the player controllers. You can show or let's say hide the loop, the playlist, or whatever. The styles, you can control the styles also. And when you finish, you're going to click on publish, and then you're going to click on install. Then you're going to copy the code, head over shopify.com. Then you're going to head over online store, select the theme that you are working on, and click on customize. So now what I am going to do is to head over here and create a new section. So this section is going to be a specific section. We're going to click on here, scroll down a little bit, and select custom liquid. So the custom liquid sections are going to be some sections that will contain some codes, and they are going to read a different type of codes like CSS, HTMLs, iframe, and etc. Now, you're going to paste your code in here just like that, and you're going to click on save. And you're going to see your specific, as you can see, player popping up in here. So here we have the tracks and etc. Now, this is going to be a method, and if you are going to favorize a method, it is going to be up to you. I'm going to show you another method, and you're going to be the judge of the two. So you can go ahead and select one of the two methods. I'm going to add a custom liquid also in here, but we are going to use one of the most popular players that all of you know, and it is going to be Shopify, or not Shopify, but Spotify, I mean. So I got confused with the letter of Shopify, also Spotify. So in here, as you can see, we're going to select one of the specific um, playlists that we have. Of course, you need to set up at least a playlist. For example, here we have some of the playlists. You can go ahead and set up one of the playlists or create your own playlist by setting up here the songs that you would like to recommend or something like that. For example, we're going to use one of the daily mixes in here that has been selected for us. Click on the 3 points in here, or 3 dots. Click on share, and then you're going to click on embed playlist. You can go ahead and modify the colors that has been integrated in this specific embedded form of the player. And also you can set up the size of that specific player. So you can go ahead and use the size and also the things. You can go ahead and click on show codes and modify some of the, for example, border radius and the styles of the border radius in here, the full screen, not full screen iframe or not. It is going to be something like that. So you are going to copy the code and we are going to head over our custom code or the custom liquid, put our code in here and wait for it to appear. And as you can see, this is the Spotify player for Shopify. So you can go ahead and select here one of the specific right there songs and play it right there and just navigate through the mixes in here. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.